What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Collector's Problems. Today I'm going to be unboxing a package I got from Big Bad Toy Store. Some of you might say, well, what is Collector's Problems? Collector's Problems I consider to be things like the case of this guy right here. So when this originally came out, I pre-ordered it, and then I canceled it for whatever reason. Probably didn't have the money for it, or maybe I was buying something else. I don't know. Those would be collector's problems when you're trying to figure out what figure is most important to you versus what you can afford, or whatever it is you're hunting for. If you can't find it, collector's problems, and they're usually really not that important, but I mean, to collectors, things can be, I don't know, I think silly. But anyway, like I said, I had pre-ordered him. I already know what this is. It's a Missing Link Optimus Prime. But anyway, pre-ordered him, and then for whatever reason canceled him, and then I watched a review from Jobby the Hong, sold me on it, and then when I went back to Big Bad Toy Store, they were all sold out. Collector's problems. So then started looking everywhere else, and of course the scalpers prices are skyrocketing, and from when it was originally, I think it was $120, and I was finding it for over $200. It's just thought, no, I'm not going to do that. But one day when I went back to Big Bad Toy Store and I saw that it was available, and so boom, snatched it up and got the good price on it. Didn't have to pay scalpers prices. So yeah, anyway, let's just get this guy unboxed and take a look. I'm kind of sus on this packaging. Looks like they kind of packed it in there tight. That's not good. Let's hope that's a lot of bubble wrap. And then also too, when checked was watching the tracking on this item, and it was supposed to be here like on a Saturday or something, and then it didn't show up until Monday, so I got a little scared on that one. But a lot of bubble wrap. That's good. Hopefully there's no damage to the box, or at least minimal damage anyway. Oh, this sucker's heavy. Alright. Doesn't look too bad. With some scratches. Do you guys pay the extra for collector grade boxes? I don't. I'm too cheap. That looks pretty good. I guess I'll take it out of the sleeve here. I think I'm going to open it. I've got a lot of Optimus Primes, and the plan is to take them out. Oh, there, I just damaged that. That's good. Oh yeah, that's oh bueno. Oh well. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like it a lot. Yeah, I love that original artwork. Boy, that takes me back to when I was a little kid. Standing in the toy section and staring at all the toys and wishing that I could get them. I never had an Optimus Prime as a kid. I always had the little Transformers, though. Oh boy. Can anybody read that? Not me. This package is very nice. The other one, the sleeve, I damaged it. It has some wear and tear box scratches stuff. But this one looks really good. So yeah. Very cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this guy opened up. Trying my hardest not to do too much damage to this box. Oh, that opened up very nicely. It's got the old school styrofoam in there. Good old fashioned pollution at its best. I feel something. Oh my goodness. There we go. Look at that. That is just lovely. What do we get here? We got all kinds of goodies. Let's take a look here. Got the infamous infrared. You can scan the barcode here. I remember that as a kid. Fortunately, I can't read any of this, so I have no idea what that means. It just means that Optimus Prime is BA. Nice little card. This is kind of flimsy though. Third parties give us those nice credit card style ones. Wonder why it has a hole punch on it. What am I supposed to do with that? Some instructions in case you don't know how to Transformer Generation 1 Transformer. Man, I used to love these as a kid. You get these pamphlets inside and they advertised and sold you all the other figures that you could get. Yeah. Boy, that takes me back. You know, and I really do like what they did with this, taking it and an older toy and giving it the articulation that I wanted as a kid. I had a friend of mine lived next door to my dad, and he had an Optimus Prime, and I remember when he brought it over to show it off, and the hands kept falling off because you had to plug in the hands. And this guy, they fixed that. They put the hands in the transformation, which is outstanding. And yeah, I'm just gonna open it up and have fun with this because I got the other ones on order, the Cliff Jumper and Bumblebee. If they continue the line, I'm gonna keep going with it. Cool looking blaster. Oh yeah, some stickers, old school stickers. I'll probably apply those. Wheels for roller. Missiles. This is oh, it's the battle axe. I thought it was a blast effects. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. Roller himself. And his little gas hose. I don't have any of the Diaclone figures, but man, I think I'm gonna have to order some to put in there. I've seen other guys in their reviews and they put the Diaclone figures in there, and yeah, Now I want Diaclone figures. You know, if anything, I figured out with YouTube, you know, they just sell me more toys. The Matrix, I really wish they would have did a more, I guess, the chrome, a lot of gold, but it's still nice to have. The fact that it fits in the Optimus Prime is even better. All right, let's get this guy out of here. There it is. Oh man, he's got a good weight to him. Boy, that looks great too. Yeah. Rolls very nice. Yeah, this is an awesome piece. Very cool. Get a closer look at the... I'm hearing Generation 1 Transformer cartoon music in my head right now. Yep. I love that these are not stickers. That's actual paint. Yeah. Very cool. And the trailer looks so good. Let's get this guy all transformed. Let's start with the trailer. As you can see, I've already put some of the stuff together. Went ahead and I took out the missiles and put the wheels on roller. That looks really good. Very happy with it. Yeah, again, I never had this as a kid, and yeah, very happy. And I'll go ahead and get this guy transformed. Start with the legs. I don't know if the instructions say start with the legs. Just kind of winging it. That's kind of a good thing about these old school Transformers. They don't take a lot in regards to the transformations, where you got to go YouTube it and watch somebody else transform it. I like those ratchet clicking elbows. Very nice. I think, yeah, you gotta give a little opening up in the midsection. Man, I just love the you got ankle pivot, the hands. I remember as a kid, you know, the hands had to be attached. Parts forming, I guess. And but now they come out of, they're involved in the transformation. Look at that wrist articulation, very nice. I don't know if the old school one had head rotation, but yeah, so nice. It's got a good weight to it, good feel. Paint, the paint apps are just, I like that a lot better than the stickers. Old school Transformers, the stickers are always peeling away. The Autobot symbols painted on there, very nice. Smokestacks are good, nice and chrome. Yeah, this guy is so cool. It's got waist rotation. It's just kind of hindered by these wheels though a little bit. It's actually hindered probably by this, the bumper, more than anything. But a little is better than none. You know, I'm happy with the little. Yeah, that's just very cool.